Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Prairie du Sac, moving northeast at 75 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Lake Wisconsin, Lodi, Gwinnett, Partyville, Ryle, Arlington, Waukeena, Merrimack, Harmony Grove, Aki, and Interstate 90/94 interchange. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.